No matter the storm, we keep moving on. No matter the night, we wait for the dawn. Just give me strength when my strength is gone. We keep moving on. Some days come with heavy rain. Some days bring a world of pain. You plant your seed, but you don't see the flower. You keep on walking through the darkest hour. Bills on the table, pressure on the mind. Still there's a little light you're gonna find. Don't let the struggle steal your song. Just give your strength to carry on. When your heart says I can't go further, hear that voice calling you stronger. One more step, one more day. Don't let your hope fade away. No matter the storm, we keep moving on. No matter the night, we wait for the dawn. Jah is the light when the road gets longer. We keep moving on. No matter the tears, no matter the pain, after the fire comes the rain. Hold on, my brother, hold on, my sister. Better days are coming again. To every dream that you nearly abandoned, every prayer that you thought was unanswered, don't count yourself out, your story ain't done. The race is still yours, keep facing the sun. To the mother working from morning till night, to the father still trying to make things right. To every youth with a dream in their heart, don't let nobody tell you you're too far. When you're on the storm, we keep moving. When the night gets long, we keep moving. When the world says stop, we keep moving. With Jah by your side, we keep moving on. One heart for the people, one heart for the nation, one prayer for the children, one world, one creation. From Lagos to Kingston, from Nairobi to São Paulo, from Cape Town to New York, let the positive vibration flow. No matter the storm, we keep moving on. No matter the night, we wait for the dawn. Jah is the light when the road gets long. We keep moving.